Hey guys, my name is Tia, owner of Women Who Lift, and today we're going to talk about some stretches to help relieve sciatica during pregnancy. Now, sometimes when we feel like we have sciatica during pregnancy, it may not actually be sciatica. It may be some pain from our SI joint, our sacroiliac joint, which is back here in our lower back by our spine. Okay, so that is from the expanding increase in our pelvis and the extra weight bearing. And you would notice that because you would have more pain when you are weight bearing when you're standing up. For sciatica, you usually have pain down one side, so it's usually down the side of one leg, and it can go into the calf and even into the foot as well. And that'll feel like some numbness and tingling along that leg, okay, on one side of your body. And that may be painful even when you are not just standing or when you're weight bearing. It may be painful when you're laying down or in different positions as well. But how we can relieve that, whether you have sciatica or pain from your sacroiliac joint, from that expanding and weight bearing in your pelvis, we can take a towel, you can take a belt, you can take the blanket, and you wrap it around your lower back by your sacroiliac joint. Okay, so you wrap it around your lower back, your feet are hip width apart, and without falling, we want to make sure that we are stable, preventing any risk of falling. You're just going to lean back, pulling forward on that towel or that blanket or that belt, and then leaning back, putting pressure on that low back. Okay, and that should relieve some of that tension down your leg. You may feel some pain or tension in your back, but it should relieve that sciatica. And you want to try that about 4 to 5 times and hold that position, pressing and feeling that tension. Okay, another way you can do that is to keep your wrist at a 90-degree angle, pulling up on that towel or that blanket, and again leaning backwards into it, relieving that pressure and feeling that tension. All right, and then another option is to find the edge of a counter that's low enough to meet that sacroiliac joint and that lower back, and then leaning back and putting pressure on it that way. So these are some ways that we can help relieve sciatica during pregnancy. There are several more. Please feel free to check out my website, womenwholift.com, to find out more tips on how to relieve sciatica during pregnancy.